Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to fix update messaging not showing on Instagram. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on your Instagram application. Now what you're gonna do is tap on your profile and then click on that menu option and scroll all the way down and click on privacy. Now click on message controls and then click on allow access to messages and it will be updated. Now go back and then click on reels and remix controls. Now here, if your Facebook is not connected to Instagram, simply enable it, and once it's done, you can go to Play Store and update your Instagram application. Once the update process is done, the update messaging problem will be solved, and that's how easily you can do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.